everyone, Zach Pakoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 15-1 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 15-1 work together. In the last video, I read over the 15-1 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 15-1 work together, where we will be preparing an income statement for a merchandising business. So the instructions say the worksheet for Interstate Tires Incorporated for the year ended December 31st of the current year is given in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. Number 1, prepare an income statement. And number 2, calculate and record on the income statement the following component percentages. A, cost of merchandise sold. B, gross profit on sales. C, total expenses. And D, net income before federal income tax. Round percentage calculations to the nearest 0.1% or to the nearest tenth. And save your work to complete Work Together 15-2. Alright, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 15-1 Work Together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 15-1 Work Together, in which we will be preparing an income statement for a merchandising business that's organized as a corporation. So that is the end of the 15-1 Work Together. In the next video, I will be going over the 15-2 text. Okay? Thank you.